Now let's take a look how to insert slicer in in Google spreadsheet. So slicer is something like that. In a particular column level, whatever filter we are applying on, so suppose we will be applying commercial, this particular set of data. Whenever I am selecting commercial, only the filtered data of the commercial row would be shown to the user, while if I am selecting domestic or industrial, those data will be populated and other data will be kept hidden. So how can we achieve that? Remember guys, to insert slicer in MS Excel, you need to take a look into my MS Excel playlist or in my YouTube channel. Here I am working on Google Sheets and I will be showing you how to insert slicer. So what we can do is that let's select this range of cells, or maybe keep the cursor here, type, and this is a data. So we are working on some data. So to work on some data, it would be in the data tab. So from data tab, click on this add a slicer, and it will be asking to select a column first. So we'll be selecting these column labels. After that, click on this three dotted and uh, let's see how to add slicer. Yeah, so whenever I'm clicking on this right hand arrow, this inverted pyramid type of thing, I am getting that I want to insert slicer based on the which column level. So suppose I want to insert slicer on maybe type. So select this type and position this particular slicer in a Excel, in the MS Google, sorry, in the Google spreadsheet, in the position where you want to keep this particular slicer. Now whenever I am selecting it as let me move it to okay, all fine, let me move it into here, and yeah, so not all, I'll be wanting to, I would like to see the data of the only the commercial. So check the commercial and press OK. So the commercial data is being shown to me. Now if I uncheck the commercial option and select domestic, then domestic will be shown to us. So now how to delete this slicer? So right click and say delete slicer. That's simple. So let's work on again. So we'll be keeping the cursor on any particular column level, and to work on with the data, so whatever object, or whatever things we are working upon, we are working upon data. So whatever things we are working on data, all those things are present under data tab, and then select add a slicer, and it will be asking the select the column first. So I'll be selecting this whole range of column. After that I'll be clicking on this inverted pyramid type of thing, and from there we will be selecting the type, fine, and position this particular slicer in a place where I mean in an appropriate position. Then click on this all, and then you are presented with the unique column values of that particular I mean the range of cells column, and select the appropriate option and view the filtered out data. That's all for this short video tutorial. If you have liked it, practice it on your own. That is all about this Google spreadsheet slicer. Happy coding guys. See you again next for some another video.